Here's another 911 junk out customer solution story. We recently helped a homeowner in the Dupont Circle neighborhood of Washington, D.C. The owner of this beautiful brownstone was doing major renovations, preparing to put the home on the market. The demolition materials had to be hauled away quickly, so new building materials could be brought in and installed. The 911 junk out team rushed over to the property and got everything hauled out quickly and efficiently. The homeowner was extremely pleased and told us so as we were leaving.
Excellent service, good people, very polite, very courteous. They watch for everything and they do what they say they do. They show up on time within 5 minutes here and there. I'm really satisfied with what they do.
If you need junk removed from your residential or commercial property for any reason, rental cleanups, remodeling, garage or shed clearouts, hoarder issues, estate sales, you name it, 911 Junk Out is licensed and insured to haul, donate, recycle, and dispose of your junk quickly and professionally in Maryland, D.C., and Virginia.